In the last video, we talked about vertically stretching things. And remember when we said when something's vertical, we do it on the outside. Well, now we want to horizontally stretch or shrink things. And that means wherever there's an X, we're going to plug something in. And we're going to be multiplying here. And again, horizontal things often seem a little backwards. Here, when we multiply by a number greater than 1, it's actually going to be a horizontal shrink. If you think of pushing your hands together, it would horizontally shrink it. So we're going to look at the same function we've been looking at here. We're going to look at x cubed plus 3x squared. Okay, and if we graph that, we have this function right here. Now, let's see what happens when we plug in a 2x wherever there's an x. So we're multiplying the x by a positive number bigger than 1, 2, inside wherever there's an x. So 2x cubed plus 3 times 2x squared. Make that bold. Okay, and we see that this kind of shrinks it, okay? It's not as wide. Oops, so this one was blue. Oops, let's do the next one in red. So this one where we multiplied by a positive number inside, shrunk it horizontally, okay? And when we multiply by a number less than 1 inside, like 1/2, it's actually going to stretch it horizontally. So inside the parentheses, we'll do 0.5x, and we'll cube that, plus 3 times 0.5x squared. And let's see if the dotted line will help us out, help us see this. Oops, I went too far. Unfortunately, now you have to scroll back through them. Okay, there's our dotted line. Okay, and we can see that 0.5, it really made it wider. We call that stretching it horizontally. Okay, so remember, it's a little backwards from the vertical stretches. Here you're multiplying inside. A number bigger than 1 is going to shrink it, and a number between 0 and 1 is going to stretch it.